Hello and welcome to Mr. Kumar Maths. Here is another video, a revision video on how to calculate the total surface area of a cylinder. So in this example, we want to see how you calculate the total surface area of a cylinder. So we've got a cylinder with a radius of r and a height of h. To calculate the total surface area, this cylinder's got a circle at the top and a circle at the bottom. These two circles are exactly the same. So we find the surface area of the cylinder by first finding the area of each face. This is a circular face, so I have, for a circle, we know the area is given as pi r squared. But then we have two of the same circles, so for the circle, whatever the area is, we're going to double that. So we're going to do 2 times pi r squared, and that will give us 2 pi r squared. So that will be the area for those two circles. We now need to find the area of the curved face of our cylinder. So imagine we remove the circle at the top and we remove the circle at the bottom, and we open this curved bit all out, we will get a rectangle. And the rectangle will look something like so. And with the rectangle, the width of the rectangle will be the same as the height of our cylinder. So here it's going to be h. And the length of this rectangle is going to be the circumference of the circle. And for the circumference of the circle, that is given as 2 pi r. So the circumference of the circle will be the length of our rectangle. Therefore, the area for this rectangle, which is also given as the length times by the width, is going to be 2 pi r times h. So all we've got to do now to find the total surface area of the cylinder will be total surface area will now be equal to this area of the circles plus the area of the rectangle. So we're going to have 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So this will be the total surface area. However, whatever units we've given in the question, we'll put a unit squared. Over here as well, we might want to factorize this a little bit. We can leave it like this if we want, but we might want to factorize this because we can see 2 pi r and the 2 pi r h. So we can factor this out as 2 pi r, and there will be a bracket over here, and this will be r plus h. Because now if I expand this out, multiply this by this, I get 2 pi r squared, plus if I multiply this by h, I get 2 pi r h. So this is the total surface area. So we're now going to do an example. Let's just say, for example, the radius of our cylinder is 4 centimeters, and the height h is actually 10 centimeters. So r equals 4, and the height h equals 10 centimeters. So the total surface area, if I come over here and do total surface area, that's just going to be equal to, we've seen that's what we need to use, 2 pi r squared. So we're going to have 2 times pi times r, the radius is 4, so 4 squared, that's for the two circles. Then we have plus, then we're going to do the rectangle bit, so I write that in red, which is 2 times pi times by 4, and then we times it by the height, and the height in this case is 10. So this will simplify to become 4 squared is 16, 16 times 2 will be 32 pi plus 4 times 10 is 40 times 2 is 80 times pi, we get 80 pi, and this will then it will become 112 pi. And because this is measured in centimeters, we need to put the units of measurements on this, and in this case it's going to be centimeters squared. So we leave our answer in terms of pi. If the question asks us to write our answer in terms of decimal, then we'll do 112 times by pi, and we'll write it to whichever level of accuracy we're giving in the question. So this is how you do this. Thank you very much for watching this video, Don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, like the video as well so you can get all the updates in terms of what new videos are there. Thank you. Bye-bye.